So that could be a big difference, but that could only just be a second. So now when push comes to shove, you can't crack. So here we go, Dmitriy Illyuk from Ukraine and Grzegorz Hipki from Poland. Send it, here we go. So Dmitriy gets a good jump. You can see actually the alternating of the names. Their names are on the opposing sides right now. So there is Grzegorz Hipki in that BMW.
We'll try and keep you figured out. So Grzegorz is on track left and Dmitriy is on track right. What was quite interesting, Dmitriy had a better initial launch off the line, but that, I know you spoke about similar horsepower, but that BMW really pushed through some good power. He's running a 7.4 litre in that BM. So coming into the arena, he actually made up that slightly slower start over Dmitriy. So having a look, but Dmitri's pulled it back, obviously massive experience. He's going around the pool already. It's pretty close, probably 0.3 or 0.4 in it at this stage. So this is going to be quite a good battle. The fifth fastest qualifier from Poland up against Dmitriy, super experienced. He's fifth grid in 12th place. They've both made sure they've hit that technical ball in the pinata section, and they're entering into the containers neck and neck. This is a really, really good battle.
Yeah, it's really exciting, and again, fairly equally matched, as we talked about, that horsepower and that execution around the bike rack. You see some straightening out there of Grzegorz Hipki, and Dmitriy dialed in on the bumper car washing machine.
I just love the different approaches, you know, especially around the big Gymkhana grid sign. It's easy to get it lit up and run a slightly wider line. You look at Grzegorz going in there and keeping it a lot tighter, and it actually didn't cost him too much. This is a good battle, man. This is what we love about grid. Neck and neck. It's going to be close over the line.
Oh, man, and look at this.
Pick a winner, pick a winner. Oh, wow.
Wow. So we are, again, then you're going to get a DNF. We've seen in Formula 1 to everything in between.
But, I mean, this again, we mentioned it earlier, this is where the experience comes into it, because this is his first time that he's doing a grid, Gymkhana style. He's here in front of his home crowd. He's coming as the fifth fastest qualifier. Yeah. That means nothing when it comes down to head-to-head battles on race day. You
got to think Dmitriy Illyuk looking very comfortable, getting styly with that big sweeping transition there, and making it look good. This, you know, they don't get, oh, and Dmitriy actually missed the ball. So just I say that's the announcer's curse, Marius, right? You're like, oh, he's looking so, oh, dang, he just blew it.
Perfect.
But Dmitriy Illyuk could make up some time. Well, you got to keep in mind, Grzegorz has that DNF, so that could really just it can be over before it began.
It's game over already. So I mean, Dmitriy can have a free run, and I think that's why we're seeing him styling things up a little bit more. I'm wondering, maybe he's got his spotters on the grid that would have told him, listen, there's a DNF, so have a bit of fun, get yourself dialed in for the next battle, because he's clearly going to be going through to the next round. And that's a pity for the Polish guys, because they've come in really aggressively into the seeding rounds, but we've already lost. Going to be losing 2 of them going into the next round, and that's not what the crowd wants to see.
All right.
I just love the different types of cars, man. That
the
what makes
E30 to the S chassis.
So
yeah, totally. Yeah, the variety, and that's the thing with Gymkhana Grid is only 2 classes: rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive. It's not weight, it's not horsepower, it's
Bring
not
what you
engine.
want.
Run what you brung. Old,
if you can control it, you can drive it.
Right.
That's exactly what it comes down to.
All right, so they are neck and neck here. We talked about, looked like Dmitriy missed that ball. We'll see if they assess that penalty or no.
Yeah, so we are trying to figure out what is going on. They're getting the graphics sorted out. So if you're
Here we go, Dmitry, Illyuk, Christos.
Awesome.
Oh, look at Dmitry. Come on now, this isn't smoking style, Dmitry. You gotta keep the traction on the ground.
That's the angriest sounding car that Dmitry's got. Man, it's a monster.
Yeah, from Ukraine here, firing off.
If you're ever at the start grid, he has the lowest car ever.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Yeah.
All right, so continuing on, where are we at? I'm trying to get
So I think Dmitry qualified faster than
Christos.
Yeah,
he did, but this is looking neck and neck. Yeah, they're actually running very, very tight. And Christos actually has that early advantage, and he's on the so-called less grippy, less favourite side. The sun's starting to go down, so from a driving perspective, a lot more that you would have started seeing as it gets darker. But this is good. Second Gymkhana Grid for Christos. First one was 2016 in Greece.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
Nice
that's
job.
a tricky corner, that.
Yeah, Chris is in front.
All right, so Christos, is a slight advantage. Oh, you saw a little hiccup there, maybe allowing Dmitry some ground to gain.
It's so easy for Dmitry not to go on power too much and do a mistake.
And just light him up, break traction, right?
Yeah.
That's the thing. Visually, you can see, and you think you've got to catch up, and it's going to come with the right foot, and it's not. It's going to come with the head.
You see them, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really smooth.
Yeah, really good.
A lot of the drivers were saying they're
Dmitri's in front.
corner, so he was really good through that transition.
Oh, it's tight. It's really tight.
Dmitry,
Oh,
what a
no.
wide swing. Dmitry with that penalty.
Red light. There we go. A better stop for Dmitry this time.
Nice one.
Much better.
Wow, look at that massive advantage coming into the arena. Nearly up 0.6 of a second advantage coming in.
This is where you have to don't look at the other side.
No.
Just focus on your obstacles and don't hit anything.
Yeah.
Right.
At the end of the day, you can't do anything better than what you can do. You know?
Right. Yeah, you're
And it's
racing
not
the other
gonna help.
competitor, but you're racing the clock more importantly.
But
he missed the ball.
Oh no.
That's big problems. But I know what you're saying. It sounds perfect in theory. Don't look at the other guy. And then you come out of the container section. You're heading straight at each other. You can see exactly where the person
there's
is.
the penalty.
Yeah. And yesterday, I know Dmitry is so competitive.
Oh wow, so Christos has a
As a
DNF.
DNF, so he's made a mistake on the course. He's gone through somewhere wrong.
Oh wow, so
That changes
Dmitry could
everything.
get gifted a victory as long as he does the entirety of the course in the correct order. It looks like Dmitry will be handed the victory, courtesy of Christos, unfortunately making some mistakes.
See, this is what makes Gymkhana Grid so special.
Oh,
You can make mistakes. There's such pressure.
You know who's bumped? Dmitry. And he probably doesn't even know you.
The thing is, I know Dmitry. I spoke with him last night, and he have tried like 30
Look at his turbo
different
flowing.
type of tires. You know, he's going all in this weekend. He's so competitive.
Look in the look in the
Wow, we've given a heads up here. The incorrect information from the judges. Ignore that DNF. What you see is the race.
Okay,
so
so
no DNF for Christos.
Dmitry doesn't cross first, and it looks like Christos. Dmitry getting penalties on both the first battle and the second battle, Marius.
Wow. Good job by Chris coming back after a poor start.
Yeah.
I have to give it to him.
That was an
cool with the
unbelievable
flames
battle.
coming out the front wheels on Dmitri's car. But that's something you never see in rallycross, you know.
But that's what's so cool when you come here too. The cars that you see. I mean, it's stuff you're never going to find at a motorsporting event. The guys really do come with